Cookies. Sugar cookies. Let's see. Squeeze them out. Alright, squeeze it. Make it a ball. What are we making? What kind of cookies are we making? Huh? Christmas sugar cookies. Here, put some flour on it. Okay. Nice. Good job. Just the right amount. Let's see. Roll it. Put a little bit on the bottom. No, you can't throw it. Okay, there we go. Is that a ball? Okay. Ready? Now we gotta roll it out. Help Daddy. Put your hands on the side. Rolling. Rolling. That's nice. Look at that. He's a good biker. Okay, stop. Read this way. Okay, now roll it some more. Rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Rolling. Nice. Watch your fingers. Keep putting fingers at it there. There we go. How is that? How does it look? Rub it. What does it feel like?
Nice.
That feels good, don't it?
That's smooth.
Let's see. Roll a little more.
Smooth.
And nice. Like that. Let's see that. Watch out. Watch that. Turn it around.
Oh.
Yeah. A second. Oh. Okay. Let me roll it a little more. Watch your fingers. Okay. Ready to push them? Put some cutters and push them. Okay. Let's do that. Christmas snowflake.
It's good to know. It's gross.
Snowflakes.
Thank you.
Here's some bells. Here's a bell. You can do a bell? Here, put it on there and push it. Put it on there and push it. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Nice. Oh, here's a nice Christmas ornament. Let's do this one. Okay? Can we do this one here? Open your hand and hope like this. And go. Perfect, Anthony. Here, no.
Perfect.
Ginger man. Do it here. No, do soft. Not hard, soft. Like that. Soft. Good job. Okay, let's do mittens. Mittens. Okay, open your hand. Push the mitten down. Soft, just like that. Good job, Anthony. That's awesome. Man, these cookies are going to be good. Here, let's do the tree. Push the tree. This tree. Push it down soft. You do.
Nice. Good job.
Oh, look at here. Frosty the snowman. Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul. Okay, gotta push it.
Go push soft.
Push. Here. Dad do. Dad'll do this one. Okay. Couple more and then we can tear it off. Couple more.
Wait a second. I put one more there. Push down.
Good job.
Good job.
Okay, take all this on the side. Take it off. Be set. Here. Look.
Gotta take it off.
Take it off the
Take
side
it
now.
off the side now.
But be soft, like that. Yeah, like soft. There we go. Here's a bell, Mom. Okay, take it off here. Good job. Make a ball. Get rid of this. Okay.
There,
some more.
getting out.
Look. Right here. Take it off the side. Soft.
There
No,
you go. Good
yeah.
boy.
Take it right here. Look here, right there. Good. Good job.
Nice one.
Nice one. I didn't like that tree anyway.
I
Good
didn't
job.
think he did either.
Yeah. Here, that's a cookie from Mom. She put it on the tray.
Yep. Thank you,
Here.
boy.
Here's the mittens. Here's a mitten, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
Give it to
Thank
Mom.
you for the mitten.
Okay, let's take it off the side. Go like this. Go right here. Good job. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Them's fun cookies, aren't they?
Ooh, he got broken leg.
Put them out to pasture.
Aren't they? Aren't yeah.
Aren't they?
That's nice. You want to roll them out again? You want to roll them? Okay. You ready? We gotta roll them.
Face.
Gotta roll them. Let's roll them. On the side, right here and over here. You go
Rolling,
roll.
rolling. Get them cookies rolling.
Push and pull, push and pull.
It's gonna be a long video, Dad.
I know.